How to enable the pop-up on key press. Let's just say when you're typing, you'll see these letters showing up for you, and that's going to be called the pop-up on key press. This is the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard for Android devices 2025 update. In case this feature is not turned on, what you want to do is, as your keyboard pops up like this here, go into the settings by tapping on these three dots up here. And then you go to settings, and from here, go to where it says layout and keys, this right here. Once in this section here, you'll see all these different options. Just go down until you see key pop-ups. So this here is the one you want to turn on. And once you have this turned on, you will now be able to press down on a letter and actually see the preview of what you're actually typing when you're pressing on each key. So for example, I'm going to tap on a D here. You'll notice how that D is going to show up. Same with the F here, the S here. They're all going to show up as I'm typing. And if that's what you were looking for, like and sub.